What's up guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Wi-Fi in Kali Linux Virtualbox. As you can see over here, we cannot access the Wi-Fi. Look, if I type it, there is no Wi-Fi connection, only wired connection, whereas my PC is connected to Wi-Fi. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi in Kali Linux. So here we go. Welcome to Hacking is Life. So today's context is, today we'll talk about how to use Wi-Fi in Virtualbox and Vmware. Meanwhile, you can go and hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please promote my channel, please. That's a request. And share it. So there are three ways. By using an external Wi-Fi adapter, by downloading a Wi-Fi script and Wi-Fi module, by using Kali Linux Live, which is live persistent. So firstly, what is a Wi-Fi adapter? A Wi-Fi adapter is an external adapter which has pre-built Wi-Fi inside it. Means it is a scanner for Wi-Fi. It can connect your device, like some computers of old age doesn't have any Wi-Fi pre-built Wi-Fi chipset inside their computer, so they cannot use Wi-Fi. But nowadays we have pre-built Wi-Fi, but in Kali Linux you don't see those. So for that, you can see a Wi-Fi adapter can be used in Virtualbox or VMware for connecting or hacking Wi-Fi. Now if you want to hack Wi-Fi using Kali Linux using a Wi-Fi adapter, you can make sure before buying a Wi-Fi adapter that it is Linux supported and it supports monitor mode. So now if you want to buy a good Wi-Fi adapter which supports monitor mode, it would come under 500 rupees. But if you want a Wi-Fi adapter which supports monitor mode and has a Wi-Fi compatibility and in less cost, but those will not be that high range Wi-Fi adapters, those can come under 200 rupees. But I prefer not to buy and watch till the end. Maybe you like the second or the third option. So this is how a Wi-Fi adapter looks like. You can see here it's D-Link. As you can see, the D-Link Wi-Fi adapter. So now this is the second method. It's waste, but like it's affected because some people may use it by downloading a Wi-Fi script and a module. A Wi-Fi script. So what is a Wi-Fi script? It is used to show that Wi-Fi signal, Wi-Fi sign, and the module is just to show the connected Wi-Fi network. So what do I mean by that? I mean, look here. If I download the Wi-Fi module, it will not show this sign. If I download Wi-Fi script, it will not show me this sign. It will show me just the Wi-Fi sign. But if I click it, it will show me same thing. That's Wi-Fi script. So what is Wi-Fi module? Wi-Fi module, if I download it, it will show me which Wi-Fi network I'm connected to. So if I download Wi-Fi module, I'll click on it. Like if I click here, as you can see, it is showing me all the Wi-Fi networks over here. But if I click here and I have downloaded the Wi-Fi module, it will show me my connected Wi-Fi network. So for example, I'm connected to CalG16.2. It will show me CalG16.2 and nothing else. So that's what is the basic concept. So I prefer not to use that one. You can use this instead. So this is just for giving information. Like if you download the Wi-Fi module, it will give you information about BSSID, channel number, your password. If you have entered, it doesn't give you the password of unknown Wi-Fi address. If you're connected, then only it will give you the password. So now let's skip here. If you still want to download the module and the script, then just go to Google and type Wi-Fi module of June 2010. It will lead you to a page and download it in Kali Linux. You just simply extract it by using the txr command If you don't know, give me in the comment, I'll show you how to do it, because I'm not doing this because it's not the effective method. Now I am going to show you the most effective method over here, that's using Kali Linux Live. So this method is free of cost and I prefer, because whenever I make videos on which requires Wi-Fi connection and which requires hacking, I do it with Live. So watch my first video if you don't know what is that. So I'll give you a brief explanation. Wi-Fi, it's live, means you can boot it to the computer by using a USB. If you don't know how to download it or make it and use it, you can watch my first video, links in the description. So as you can see, so this is the best way, because it will allow your computer to show the chipset. Means basically if you are using Kali Live, you don't need any external Wi-Fi adapter, you don't need any script or module, you can just simply use your PC's Wi-Fi or your computer's Wi-Fi. So how to check that your PC's Wi-Fi chipset will work? So you go to Kali Live, means you boot it from the USB. And by the way, don't confuse by booting and OS. If you download the OS, you will have dual boot, or you have single boot, dual boot, like you can keep two operating systems. I have not done that. And booting is different. Booting means like you can temporarily boot it. It's temporary, you can plug it in any computer and use it there. So you boot it up, open the terminal and press ifconfig. This is the, if you see WLAN 0 or WLAN 1 or any number after WLAN, then your Wi-Fi chipset can be used. So that's all for, I prefer the third video. Please share, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Thank you. So this was the video today. It was short and effective. I hope you like it. Peace.